Yo, what's up, everybody? We are live. Good evening. Looks like I got a tuft of hair standing up here. What is going on? There we go. Is that better? Not really. Kind of, sort of. Anyways, good evening. Happy Sunday, everybody. Hopefully, you guys had a great weekend. What were you guys up to today? Hey, Kyle She's in the house. Jerry Trades. Miss K911. Jay Remmer, hey, how you doing? Good evening. Drew 69 Malibu and Keith Smith in the house. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you. Mike is muted there. I'm talking away, and you can't hear me in the vertical stream. You guys can hear me in the vertical stream, but not in in the full time stream. So what I was saying was, good evening, everybody. Good to see you. Welcome to the stream. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Kyle, she's in the house. Jerry Trades, Miss K911, Jay Remmer. Thanks for that, Kyle. You're on point there. Or I'll be talking for a long time with nothing coming through. Thanks, guys. Raphael, hey, how you doing? Keith Smith and Drew 69 Malibu in the vertical stream. Good evening, everybody. All right. So looking like we just missed a bit of a bullish push here. We've been playing around in this 1 hour bullish fair value gap for some time now. If we go down to the 1 hour here, as you can see, we had this push up at the open, formed a big wick on the top here, pulled back into it, recovered, and now we've been inside this fair value gap for some time. Currently kind of leading me to think we're going to go higher. But at the current price where we are right now, I'm not really looking to trade it at the moment. I don't know. We'll have to see. Like, subscribe, notify, hit the bell notification. Yeah, thanks, Kyle. Topple Fiddle, hey, how you doing, buddy? Yeah, Keith Smith. I accidentally had the mic turned off in the full size stream there. So Kyle was like, mute, no mic, heads up. So I'm mostly done my dinner tonight, guys. So you won't have to watch me eat too long, but I'm halfway done. Maybe a little more than halfway done. But yeah, I'm just going to get the live stream going here. I do need to copy the link for full size stream, post it in the vertical stream. A little easy access for everybody. Let's copy this guy, go back here, go to the vertical. Pin this comment. We'll go back. Get the Discord link. We'll post that and pin it. And then I'm pretty much set up. Hey, Sovereignty in the house. Hey, how you doing? Keith Smith. You're in the full size. Yes. Chris, hey. We are starting. Yay, yes, we are. We are started now. Good evening. Did Nick start a Discord? I think Nick might have started his Discord, guys. We'll have to get everybody over there. So opened up with a big bullish candle, pushed all the way up above value area high, pulled all the way back down to value area low. Then we've been making some higher lows here, higher highs, but we did make another lower high here. So we're gonna have to see how this plays out. What I really need to do is break this high and get another high up here. But I mean, until we take out 29,680 area, pretty concerned a bit that we're not going to be in a bullish sentiment here. So hey Tim, how you doing? Best of luck. Hey, good evening again. Now correct Horizon live. Yes, you're in the full size live stream right now. Yes. You're in Discord. What are we doing? Which Discord? You have Nick's Discord? Did Nick start a new Discord? Jaded, hey, what's up, buddy? Tonight I had kind of like some boiled veggies, steak, and smashed potatoes. I'm still working on the steak and the potatoes. I already ate all the veggies. Barbecued a little bit of steak right when I got home. Miss K's in the Discord. Hey Alex, how you doing? I'm doing good, thank you. Had a good weekend. I got to play. I played pickleball like the last 3 days in a row. So Friday I played 3.5 hours. Saturday I played 1 hour, and then today I played 2 hours. So 6.5 hours in the last 3 days I've played pickleball, guys. So addicted. It's really a fun one. What is your catch from the market? You know, at the moment, at the moment, it's hard for me to say. We have been holding a 1 hour bullish fair value gap if you go to the 1 hour time frame here. So we opened up you know, down here, super strong bullish candle here. Not very high volume though, if you look at it, right? Medium volume. Then we popped up, got resistance here at the value area high. Then a pretty bearish candle with a really high volume. Although we formed a wick on about 50% of it. Let's see, how much is it here? Yeah, we formed a wick, so it's kind of right in the middle, right? And then since then we had a bit of a hammer or a doji, sort of a doji hammer candle, and now we got 17 minutes left on this candle. It's looking pretty bullish. So we really need to make a new high. If we look back at the 5-minute chart, so if we can get above 29,680 area, I would be definitely convinced that we're going to be going higher, probably up to previous day high area, so around the 900s. But for now, we're going to be careful, just be patient here. Not really a good place to be taking a trade here at the VWAP. Could go either way right now. So yeah, nice short squeeze right out of the opening there. You had jalapeno cheddar bison sausage, and boy was it delicious. That sounds pretty amazing. Hey Red, how you doing, bud? Good evening. You made spaghetti ground venison? Oh, nice. That sounds good. Yeah, so at the moment, the market's not looking too clear to me as to what's going to happen here. So I think patience going to be the game here. I do like that we just recently pushed up from the 29,400 level. But again, until we make a new, like, until we can kind of get up to, 680 area, pretty hard to say like we're going to be really strong bullish. I mean, we might still climb up there, but I would say that would be the point where I'm like saying, yeah, we're really looking strong here. Yeah, you might want to be scalpy in this range. Look for sort of some weakness if you wanted to short it, or yeah, because I don't know, we're definitely in a range here. We're in a range, so scalping in a range is probably the way to go at the moment. We kind of haven't been leaving this area for some time now, right? This was a nice move from the lows though at the 400. Okay, clean the glasses. Yeah, I think if you're going to take and trade in this range, you got to be pretty aggressive here. Switch up this song here. Jerry, have a possible name for a hit AI song? Wicks Don't Lie, in honor of Shakira and the World Cup. I like it. I like it. I like it. Hey, we got 12 people in the vertical stream. Welcome, welcome, everybody. Good to see you. If you guys are looking to hang out with the rest of us, hit the pinned comment there in the comment section. We will be doing a 25K evaluation giveaway today. It is Sunday. We do a 25K giveaway every Sunday here, and today's going to be the day. It will be wild today, Randall. You think so? Let's see. Hopefully we get some price action here. Hopefully we get some good price action here. I would love it. I'm going to have to get a drink. Whoa. Dude, I don't know what happened, but somebody bought a lot of accounts, because this is probably, I'm just looking at the affiliate sales today, and it's the biggest day I've ever had. So whoever did that, wow, thank you guys. Thank you for using my code, man. Holy crap. Is there a special on Lucid right now that I don't know about? Looks like somebody bought a whack of straight to fundeds or something. Direct accounts. Holy smokes. You guys are crazy. Holy crap. Oh, thank you. Whoever did that. Appreciate you. Big time. I'll make sure to fall asleep right before it starts. Yeah. Yes, I'm studying as of now. We will have a wide range. I was back testing this week and focusing on wicks, major reversals. So I thought of a song. Yeah, nice. That's a good idea on the song. Yeah, I don't know. Wow. I don't know who did that, but whoever used my code for that, wow, thank you so much. like five, like four 150K straight to funded accounts. Good luck, whoever did that. I really hope you get a nice payout from that. I'm rooting for you. Jesus. Yeah, somebody spent a lot. That's quite a bit of money, man, to buy to pay for 550Ks. Whew. Good luck. Hey, Savage Princess in the house. How you doing? 25 scalp worked? 25 point scalp worked? Nice, Alex. Very nice. Yeah, like 25 is pretty easy to get out of this with this price movement. We are looking pretty bullish here, guys. How long do we have on the 1 hour candle? We got 10 minutes left on this 1 hour candle. So just be aware that we got the 1 hour candle coming up. So far, this 1 hour bullish fair value gap is working. So you're good. I'm doing good. Thank you. Also, I got out, had some fun today, played some pickleball. Now I'm eating steak for dinner. Life is good, you know, when you get to eat steak for dinner. We're all trying our best to live the dream, right? We got 14 people in the vertical stream. Make sure, hit that link in the chat there, in the comment section. It's a pinned comment there. It'll bring you over to the full size stream. Make sure you guys, if you haven't already, head into the Discord and fill out the form for the Sunday giveaway, and you'll be entered in for the 25K Lucid Flex evaluation account that we'll give it away tonight. So save me a bite. You never gave me one last time. All right, come on over. I'll cook you a whole steak if you come over. Nightmares are dreams too. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Touche, Kyle. And then I got like smashed potatoes. You boil them and then you smash them and then you put them in the air fryer. No, you're the sweetest, not me. Come on. You're just being nice. Get a bit of a pullback, it looks like here. I'm sitting on the 1 hour, so let's get back to the 5 here, see what we're doing. Yeah, we're getting a bit of a pullback here. I'm not convinced that we're that bullish just yet, guys. Because I saw this last week. I think it was, where was it here? I think it was somewhere around here. We were like playing with the VWAP. We got above it. We were looking good. I went long, and then price ripped lower and took me out. So I'm going to be waiting for a little bit more of a confirmation, not just sitting on the VWAP. Like, this is a decent take. 50% of the candle is above. Relatively high volume candle. So this could be a good, a bullish move here. But I'm going to have to be patient here to see sort of like if we can find some resistance here at the 500s. If the buyers keep holding the 500s a couple times and then we start looking like we're going to push higher. I mean, I could definitely see us getting up to 600 or value area high. We do also have previous day high, 680 is kind of like the recent high. Just a couple targets to think about. I'm doing good, thanks, Adam Daz. How are you doing? And Ralph's doing all right. He's down in the living room right now, hanging out with my mom, and he's probably eating dinner. Yeah, I have 2 EMAs on my chart. They're right here. You can see them. It's a white one is a 9 EMA, and this purple one is a 21 EMA. I don't put too much weight on them, but it's just good to, sometimes when we're getting bullish, I will take a long off of the 9 EMA, or if we're like trending bearish, it works also. But it's kind of like more if we're like in a trending day and you notice that the 9 keeps getting held, and then sort of the 21 is your line in the sand to get out of the trade. So hey, 39 people in YouTube. We did break 1,600 subscribers last session, guys. Woo, we're at 1,606 subscribers, 605 subscribers. So pretty excited about that. That's pretty awesome. Looking forward to the 2K. 2K is going to be amazing. Okay, thanks. I've been trying the 6 tonight on the 5-minute chart, like the 6 EMA. Honestly, it seems bearish and trapped longs. It would be best to scalp max 25 points until it hits the highs. Yeah, totally agree with you, Alex. I'm a little concerned that we're bearish here. We might end up rolling over, sort of pushing back down. Although we did, I just moved my... Need to go back to the 1-hour chart and line this guy up again here. Sorry. There we go. Yeah, like we're just in this choppy range, right? Like look how long we've been sort of in this range, ranging from previous day high up there at 890 or around 29,900. All the way back down to 29,200. So, I mean, we got a huge range, but as you can see, the price just can't really go very far in this range. So, are people still waiting for a Dito? A BC? Maybe. Hulk smash type, as some say. Yeah, no substance in the market for now. Yeah, I forget who it was. Somebody in one of the other recent streams was saying we're coming to the end of the month, which is like there's some like end of the quarter, I guess, and some rebalancing going on. So that's probably why we're getting some indecision chop. Although it's pretty volatile, like so there is space to make money here. So you also smell a flush? Yeah, could be, right? Use a 9, 20, 50, 100, 200. They work well together, 30-minute, 15, and 5-minute. I use them for entries on the 15s. Nice. Yeah, I do have I forgot about that. I do have the 200 EMA on here, which is this gray line. You can see it right there. So on the 5-minute chart, the 200 EMA is sitting at 29,500. Another little confluence there. Light a match. Long scalp is working so far. Let's see if it doesn't dump and hits my stop loss. Yeah, I mean, again, I think you're right, but it's probably going to work until it doesn't. You know what I mean? So just make sure you keep your stop a little tighter than what you're taking out of those profits, and you'll be fine, right? That's what my mom would do when I was growing up. If you could smell the flush, oh yeah, the sulfur overpowers it, or what? I kind of like the idea of trying to long at 29,500 around there. Clee's in the house. Hello, Clee. Just jumping on to say hi. About to head to the beach for a bonfire. Wish I could stay and hang out with everyone. I wish I could go trade at the bonfire. Oh yeah, I am. No, that sounds like fun. Have a great night, Clee. Enjoy. There you go. Look at this pump here. Alex probably took another 25 points out there. Red again, you can't trade? What happened now, Red? What happened? Your chart's not working or something? Or you mean like you screwed up the trade? Nice job. Just taking a look at the book map here. We do have some orders above. It's not too heavy. We got about 21 up at the 590 area and another 21 up at the 620 area. Outside of that, nothing too huge. Nothing too huge. 28 at 700. But it looks slightly heavier to the top side. We're at that POC currently 29,544. You have a phone with you, Clee? No excuses? Yeah, no excuses. Should be able to trade regardless. No. Getting a real nice pump here. So it looks like the bulls are trying to be in control here, guys. And this is a new 5-minute candle, of course, or new hourly candle. So did we end up closing outside? No, we did not close outside that fair value gap. Maybe we're gonna push to about 580 on these next 1 or 2 candles here. Hit consistency on one and daily loss limit on the other. Okay, well, mixed bag. Not too bad though. Is that a self-set daily loss limit or like a daily loss limit set by the company? Prop firm. Okay. Your first trade was bad? Oh, yeah. It happens, you know. Sometimes you need to take a loss to really understand which direction the price is going to go. It's my money. Let me lose it. Yeah. There we go. So we got 24 contracts there up at the 600s. Are we going to push here? Are we going to push? We are in the middle of this bearish fair value gap, so this could be a high resistance level. That's sort of the 580 area. Depending on how far this candle pulls back, we'll probably end up leaving a bullish fair value gap here. All right, getting a little bit more of a push here. Finding some resistance sort of at that 580 level again, like I was talking about. We do have, like I said, we have orders up at 590 and 600. Are the bulls going to be able to take it here? Or are they just trying to suck in some longs before they make a pullback here? Could be either one at the moment. So let's see how this ends up playing out here. You need another job. I'm getting better with trading. Trade slowly. Vintage, hey, happy Sunday. Very good to start the week off. Took a long in Asia, 29,307. High time frame, about 6K. Wow, nice job. Killer. Grew my 50K funded to 70. Wow, 70.6K so far. Nice, man. Wow, that's crazy. Good for you. So you're up 20.6K total? That's savage. It's nice when you can get a big buffer like that, right? Just got to keep putting in those profits. Okay, Tim, have a good night. Just grabbed a quick 50. All right. So we got 4 people watching on the vertical stream. Looks like we got about 60 in YouTube. Well, 57 in YouTube, 3 in X. Welcome everybody. Make sure, if you haven't, head over to the Discord, fill out the form for the Sunday giveaway. It's in the giveaway channel. Once you get in the giveaway channel on the Discord, scroll to the top. There's a pinned comment there with a form for the giveaway entries. Just fill out that form and you'll be in there. Yeah, I appreciate it if you guys hit the like button. Once we get up to about 100 likes, we'll do the giveaway. That'll be exciting. We're giving away a 25K Lucid Flex account. Let me just double check my coupon management here. Yes. Dave, it's 100% bearish, just trapping the longs. Yeah. Very nice. I'll be back 1 sec, okay? Sorry, guys. Give me a minute. And I'm back. You're thinking it's a bearish trap here? We are starting to pull back here. So the good thing is we made a new high from this recent high. But again, like I said, I really want us to see us get above 680 here before we're really, leaning bullish, like really confident on bullish. So yeah, good call. But this could be just a pullback to the POC, which has a bullish fair value gap right there. So you never know. We might just bounce off of this area also. But yeah, good call on that. So I passed the second eval today and got it up to consistency. Nice. So like you got your consistency max daily profit in your funded account. Is that what you mean? It's trading. It will hit the FVG. Yeah. Tonight we touch 29,100 or below. I'm not interested in a short. Nice job, Red. Nice job, Red. You're personally short? Nice job, Randall. Good luck with that. Nice job, Red. Nice job. Oh, so your other funded account is the one you hit the daily loss limit. There's no good news to support it. All the news already priced in. That's fair. That's fair. That's fair. Tomorrow's a new day. Yes, sir. Just don't try to get it all back in one day, right? Looks like the buyers are trying to defend that fair value gap, which lines up with the point of control. We got the 9 EMA right there, 29,536. The POC. We got 8 seconds left on this candle here. I hate that I trade tonight and can't trade tomorrow. Yeah, I know, right? That is a pain in the butt when you have a good day in an account. You want to go trade New York, but you just can't, right? Just grind it up and slowly dump like a rock. It's always a stairwell up and elevator down, you know? That just seems to be how it always works. Kind of a little bit tempted to try long here, but let me get in a different song here. No FOMO. Get a little deep bass going.
Deep bass. Market butcher. Mustang trader.
Fire pull down? Yeah.
Late night futures. Discord open.
Like the firemen are going down the fire pole.
Let's go.
Like this, right? Hey, Puran. Puran just hit the like button on the X stream. Thank you for that, Puran. You the man. You the man. Hey, Puran. Puran's in the house. Yeah, buddy. We got about 63 people watching at the moment. 57 YouTube, 4 and X. Actually, 61. Welcome, welcome, everybody. Make sure you head over to Discord and hit that, join the Discord. Head over to the giveaway channel. Scroll to the top of the giveaway channel. You'll find the pinned comment. Fill that out to get in on today's 25K Flex Eval giveaway. You know how we do. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again, LOL. Today Purchase Financial Juice Elite with a lifetime tick strike for $14.97. Great price. Wow. That's quite the investment, Trust Futures. No more delayed news, and tick strike is invaluable for hearing the time and sales. Gotcha. So it's like you can tell when it's going bullish or when it's going bearish. Does it have two different sounds, or is it just one sound? I think I had a tick strike sound before on something, and it just bothered me, so I stopped it. I think it was on Financial Juice. But it's nice to have the no delay on the news for sure, because sometimes I'm like, what happened? Something happened. Where is this news? Why isn't it coming through right away? Right? You can choose on the website. They have the S&P 500 for free. Oh, gotcha. Nice.
Break 500. She's going up. Break 500. She's going up. Top 40 added one more. Let's make a song on street. Let's make a song on street. Let's make a song on street. Right now.
Only YOLO. Is 15 news is 15-second delayed now. You're up with Bloomberg terminal. Okay, nice. So Bloomberg is about that fast also. Yeah, I mean, when you spread it over, for sure, over the lifetime, definitely worth it, right?
Let's go.
Bloomberg costs $25,000 a year. Really?
Butcher.
Wow.
Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts glowing. Let's go. No FOMO. Only YOLO. No FOMO.
That's pretty expensive, hey? That's like $2,000 a month. But you trade the 144 tick chart. So tick strike is what really helps. Okay, yeah, definitely. So when you see price moving and you hear the ticks, you're like, you know it's a good to go. Bullish launch incoming. Gordon knows, guys. Gordon knows. Not financial advice, but trade your trade. But Gordon usually has a pretty good view of the market. I took a little scalp there on my Take Profit Trader Pro or eval, sorry, and I'm up. I'm up 82.50. I took two scalps so far. One was up about 20 bucks, 24, and the other one was up 27 plus 33. So a total of 50 or 82.50. Sat, you're all in. Be careful, bro. Be careful. Don't do that. All in's not a good strategy, bro. At Trust Futures, keep watching Market Butcher stream and save money. No need of any subscription. Yeah, thanks, Alex. I wish it was like that. I didn't know Bloomberg had a lifetime fee. Good to know. Crazy. Oh, yeah, sorry, you said the lifetime is 25K. So if you were to spread that over a year, it's about $2,000 a month, right? The duck race last Friday, Randall. Last Friday? You mean probably Thursday, right? Because I don't stream on Friday. But the duck race was for an extra duck on Sunday. Today. So because you signed up on the Discord, and then you'll have the winning duck there. Then you have 2 ducks in tonight's race. Yeah, so just increase your odds of getting, winning, basically, right?
Break 500. She's going up. Break 500. She's going up. Top 40.
I feel what matters is how the market reacts to the news. Which news are you talking about? And not so much the tick. Yeah, I don't know about like I said, I've had tick charts before, or tick noises before, and it just kind of just drove me crazy. So usually I'm looking at the chart and seeing price move, and when the price is moving really fast, it's kind of like hearing the tick. But I mean, I guess an audio sound is sort of like, if you're like focused on something else at the moment, it should really draw your attention over, which is good, right? So 535 break, it'll sink. Quite possibly. I mean, we might go retest the VWAP, right? We have the 200 EMA down there, and we have this unmitigated bullish fair value gap right at the 500s. So am I allowed to be here with no participation in duck race and prop firm accounts? Yeah, of course, Alex. Of course you are. You're always welcome, buddy.
Let's go.
But if you want to get in on the giveaway, head into the Discord and fill out the form, right?
Market butcher.
But you definitely don't have to be. You don't have to be.
Mustang trader.
You don't have to participate in the duck race.
Late night future.
Totally up to you.
Discord open. Charts glowing.
Any news? Sometimes I'll read something that sounds bad and the market goes booming. Yeah, of course it does. They always try to like suck people in the wrong direction, right? Oh, that sounds like bearish news. Let's go short, and then it's like squeeze them out. Yeah, I mean, if you're trading cash accounts, stick with it, bro. That's awesome. You definitely don't need to trade a prop firm if you already have cash accounts.
Mustang pre-market, David first light. Trello 19 still watching RB. Gets a little spooked, then comes right back to me. Effing trades, asking questions all day. Fish tank background, maybe one day. Red says 70 channels of fire. Meanwhile, MNQ keeps climbing higher. Why we running? Nobody knows. Why we running? Nobody knows. Why we running? Nobody knows. But we're still
Only oldie. There you go. Nice push. Nice push. We got a little bit of a conflicting fair value gaps at the moment, though, right? We're in this bullish fair value gap, and we got this little bearish one, which we're trying to invert right now. But it looks like the sellers are trying to defend this level here, 555 area. It pushes up. Yes, it does. It likes to push up like a support bra. No. Trying to push it up here. Trump tweet war is over again.
Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another try.
I can't say enough how much I appreciate your streams, man. Honestly, a sense of community is so important in this industry. Sometimes trading can feel like you're on an island. Hey, yeah, sweet, Vantage. I appreciate you being here for sure. We all appreciate all the people that are joining here. Like a support bra. You're our support bro, Butcher. Yeah, thanks guys. Thank you. Big push here, big push. Broken trend lines. Manzier, yes. The good old Manzier. Sure is windy in here now. There's some major fires. Oh, really? Well, that's sorry to hear about that, Lone Wolf. I don't like to hear that. Well, I hope that your house stays safe, bro. You scared the market with what, the fire comment or what I said there that we're pushing up by the brazier, the support bra. You hope it'll test 29,800. We have orders up at 600 for now. You're in town, no worries here? Okay, good.
Trend lines. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive.
But unfortunately, it does not go up. Yes, it's going way down, actually. Look at that thing. Jesus. What a push. Bullish for value gap inversion. Bear. Longs trapped. Yes. Looks that way, doesn't it? There's the flush. Caught that. Nice job there, Randall. Good job. Told you it's coming down like a rock. Yeah, for sure. That's definitely, you called it out. You called it. Yeah, I did say we were probably gonna go test this VWAP, right? And then we got this 500 fair value gap here.
Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart. Another night. I walk a lonely chart tonight. The only ways to go and pray. Through broken trend I left behind. Searching for the next setup I'll find. The view I faded far away.
Let's get some other tunes going here. What do we got?
The market whispers then. Yeah. Everybody got a system.
535 was a line in the sand for the bulls. I'm seeing 1 hour bearishness now.
But the market.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, unless for some reason the bulls decide to step in here, but that was definitely a bearish candle. We inverted bullish fair value gap there.
But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at
460 next target.
feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunches stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it.
I keep
So
it tight.
Keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah. I heard the
Elevator down, guys. Elevator down like a rock.
out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man.
So much for a bounce to the VWAP. Yeah, it went straight through it, didn't it?
You skip is the risk you care. They sell dreams and them candles say
Hey, Raj, how you doing?
smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. That VG feel I move when I see no
You ready? 29,300 test now?
control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula.
You might be onto something. Romeo, dump it.
In the chart, trade your own story. Yeah,
Sitting right on the 500s now.
everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, it don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah.
My EMA is looking like a waterfall. Yeah, they are kind of curling over, aren't they, Jerry?
Fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunches stops like it's all a game. Like Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true, but if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So
How's your night going, Raj?
I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah.
Hopefully you're having a good one.
Heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that.
Good short, 300 to 545 stop.
Trust the plate, meanwhile rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped.
Yeah, still can't break last week's range, 75.60 to 50. Pretty tight, eh? Sat?
They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. VG feel I move when I see.
Did you hit the like yet? Yeah, thanks everybody. Appreciate it if you would hit the like. Once we get to 100 likes on the stream, we got about 83 people watching right now. We will do that Sunday giveaway, the 25K flex evaluation account.
Trade your own story.
Good luck to whoever's going to be the winner tonight. All right, Dave took over 60 points in the short, 12 micros. Wow, nice job, Alex. Alex is on fire.
Yeah.
You have a good night. See you tomorrow. All right, bud. See ya. Have a great evening, Alex.
But the market, you don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah.
We're at a decision we could continue to flush down, in your opinion? Yeah, it could be.
I trade my own. He said liquidity grab. Yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to.
Sellers holding that 500 level right now, rejecting off the 500s. 200 EMA is becoming the resistance level there.
One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure?
Thanks, Kyle. Appreciate the support, bud. Kyle's like always one of the very first people in the chat. I always love that. And like no one getting that kind of support. It's awesome to log on when you got somebody already saying what's up in the chat before the stream even starts. Appreciate that, Kyle.
They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase.
Definitely finding some resistance on the overnight VWAP at the moment. That 500 level, 200 EMA, all lined up right here. Definitely a key area here. If the buyers are going to hold this level or not, this is definitely going to be like sort of a potential bearish moment where the bears decide to take over. Are they going to retest this level here one more time or what? Usually they're going to dip into about 50% of the fair value gap before they're going to go lower. It could potentially look for a short in that area. But we need a bit of a bounce here to sort of catch some continuation lower.
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market. You don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money this, that, but who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see. No fairy tales, just risk I control. In the world,
Rando, you're short. Nice, good luck, bro. I hope it works out for you here. Looking pretty bearish at the moment. I kind of want to get a retest into this fair value gap, and then I can, if we get a rejection out of there, I will definitely look to join you guys on the shorts here. We can target sort of like 460-ish. Poor guy, you're in long. What's your thought process behind the long? Fill us in. Drew, you're flat. Drew's flat.
Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model.
Is you chopping? I'm front running trade.
I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you
Upside liquidity pending. This could be a shakeout for the Bulls. Yeah, it's quite possible. Quite possible they're trying to like shake out some longs before they rip it. Sellers sure are battling there at the 500s though, which is like kind of the 200 EMA.
In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula. Just you and the chart. Trade your own story.
In a bullish 5-minute fair value gap. Are we? Where is that? Oh, this one right here? No, that one's got inverted, I think. Oh, sorry, I'm on the 3-minute. No wonder. Haha. I was looking at the 3-minute. I couldn't see what you're talking about. But we did pop up to there. This could be a potential short. Now, if we end up getting a rejection here and start looking bearish, we're probably gonna at least head down to the 460s here. In a 5, yes. There we go, popping up a bit more here. Maybe that's what they did there, guys. Maybe we had to go retest the VWAP in this fair value gap. Buyer's holding this pretty good. Again, this is what I was saying earlier, guys. Like, I'm not very confident in price action where we are. This is just a chop zone. So, like, make sure you keep it tight, whatever you're going to trade here. I'm not seeing anything too clear at the moment, right? Could have taken a long in that fair value gap, but I was looking at the wrong time frame. I probably would have taken that long. And now we're up all the way up there at 527 into this bearish fair value gap. Now, if we do get above the POC here with the candle closure, we're definitely going to head to value area high. Not 100% sure, but what a pump, eh? Elevator down, elevator up. Sometimes we get an elevator up, guys. I don't get it. It's usually just elevator down. So let's wait for this candle to close here. We got 1 minute and 41 seconds. If we end up closing above the POC, like, I mean, we got to think it's a little bit more bullish, but at the same time, I mean, we could be just sort of flagging out like this, sort of. Yeah, I don't know.
I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. That VG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts, no magic formula.
Jeez, guys, look at that thing. It's just ripping. I did not see that coming, guys. I did not see that coming. As soon as Kyle shouted out that 5-minute fair value gap, I don't know why I switched to the 3-minute, but then I totally lost sight of this 5-minute fair value gap. And then look at that thing. Wicked it up there, held it on this candle, and then just straight up from there. See, not all 5-minute fair value gaps work, but when they work, man, you can catch some bangers. Like, look at that thing. 65 points. 65 points in one 5-minute candle.
I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease.
Good job, poor guy. Nice trade, nice trade. Good call out there. W's in the chat for poor guy call out there. Nice call, bud. I didn't see what you were seeing, but I was on the wrong time frame. So it's funny. I don't know exactly what you saw there, but I would have seen it as a fair value gap. So good job. Nice job, man. Beautiful trade.
It'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here, sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model.
Yeah, watch this level. Watch this level.
Still doing next days. I ain't here to hate. I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you.
What a freaking move there, guys. Basically, what is that? Almost 100 points? 80 points there. Nice pump. Very nice job. Very nice job. Poor man. Poor guy. Sorry, not poor man. Or unpoor man. Rich guy should be your name. Calling out trades like that.
I seen traders chase ghosts to their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah.
Next time you better call this out, though. You gotta say, one of these are coming.
No shortcuts.
A good old BC. Oh, look at this thing. Still going. Holy crap, man. Look at that thing going.
In the chart. Trade your own story.
Jesus. This thing is just a beast all the way up to 600.
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, you don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all
This could be the top of a channel in a 5-minute. You're looking at this kind of thing right here.
I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my
Sort of like that.
VG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup, if you gotta know.
What was that, 70 bucks? Lone Wolf?
Trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen the fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. So I keep it simple, I keep it tight. One clean trade, I sleep at night. Yeah, I heard the legend, heard the law. Every move mapped out from before. Kill zones here.
I think this price action deserves this song.
Charts up. Coffee hot. Bona candles loaded. Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market butcher on the mic. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas explosive. Let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride.
Oil is $70, eh? Wow. Chris, man, what are you calling out there? Nice call out, Chris. Called the top of that channel for now. Get a good 20-point pullback right there. I'll post a screenshot in Discord. Nice, for sure. Sounds good. Let me see.
Next candle ripping market acting crazy. No, it's not. While the breakout fly. Then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yo, Jim,
Yeah, I see. That's kind of what I drew there, right? Similar to what I drew. Nice call, though, man. Beautiful. Jeez, chat's on fire tonight, guys. You know, I appreciate you guys being here. You guys giving these nice shout outs. Love it. Love it when you guys are doing so good. Honestly, makes the day feel so good.
Don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride.
Where's this oil? Yeah, $70, eh? Well, what was this wick? Ripped. So it opened up at 70.61, jumped all the way to 71, and then ended up closing down at 70.27. Wow. Ryan Entourage, so glad you're on for Sundays. I was eating dinner and realized what time it was. Very nice. Good to see you, Ryan. Thanks for hanging out. Hey, we got 100 people watching right now. Woo! Getting busy. 101 people in YouTube, 5 people in X. Looks like we have about 6 people in the vertical stream. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. If you're in the vertical stream, hit the pinned comment in the chat there. Come on over to the full size stream. We do have 101 people over here. If you're in the full size stream, would appreciate you guys hitting that like button. Once we get to 100 likes on the stream, we're going to do the 25K Lucid Flex eval giveaway tonight, guys. We're about halfway there. We're at 60 likes so far. You need about 40 more. Once we get that 40 more likes, we have 100 people in the chat right now, so we should be able to bang off those 40 likes, no problem here. And then we'll do that 25K Lucid Flex giveaway, guys. Appreciate you guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in and for all the support. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. FEG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlists, where's it from? Kyle asked what AI made that beat. Never understand if someone is here why they can't hit the like. Amazing. Well, you know, it's not so much that they just, quite often I do it too. Like I kind of just forget, right? It's not that they don't like the stream or that they don't want to hit the like button. It's just they just forget about it, right? They just don't think about it. Not even so much forget about it. It's like you just don't think about it. You're just in your zone, doing your thing. Maybe you're taking some trades, whatever. So that's why we got to sort of throw out the reminder once in a while. But no pressure, right? If you guys don't feel like hitting the like button, you don't have to. I just appreciate you guys being here regardless.
If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a bone and Campbell.
Dust on the sneakers. Matthew Lai, hey, how you doing? Good to see you. Welcome, welcome. Sheesh, Kyle. You hard. Wow, I just noticed you have 1.6K subs. That's great. Yeah, Keith, thank you. We hit 1.6 last the last stream. So I think it was like Thursday night. Hit the damn like button, god damn it. Thanks, Calico. The only thing hard are the BCs. Right back up to the top of the channel here, guys. We might end up breaking out here. Look at like that. Look at like just like that though, guys. We're up to 71 likes. So like 30 people there just like hit the like button. Thank you guys. Appreciate the support.
Late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound, dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Built from the pavement where the hungry hold it down. No chain talk, no flex, just work in the booth.
Jaded, don't say that when I'm close my lungs. Your long 100 likes, nice. Joban Bular, hey, how you doing, buddy? We can't, Ryan. You can't be mad about taking profits, though, right? That's the name of the game. Late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters. Back when the tape deck clicked with the static sound, dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats. Survival was the mission. Chess moves, not checkers when the pressure came around. Wow, 1,614 subscribers in the house. Love it. Give the accounts, bro. Ain't nothing wrong with securing your money. Yeah, for sure. You don't go broke by taking profits, right? Kyle, how's the wife? Like ND. Europe, London session starting soon. Well, we got the hourly candle here. But I think Europe starts in 1 hour, right? At 10 is when, is it like Germany opens? And then 11 is when London opens. Sorry, that's my time though. So 1 hour from now, 10, 11, 12, 1 a.m., right? Yeah. 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is when that starts. Oh, you guys just moved there, so you don't know a lot of people yet? Start playing pickleball, bro. You're gonna make so many friends. So I need your opinion, guys. Let me just finish chewing the steak here, and I got a question for you guys. Okay, so today I was playing pickleball, right? And I signed up for 3 different options. One is novice, one was intermediate, and the other one is upper intermediate. Unfortunately, only one spot opened up, and it was in novice, which is fine. I just wanted to play, so I went and got out there. I've been playing. I'm playing around, playing games, and then there's this one dude. He walked by the court that I was playing at, and he kind of like I looked over, and he like looked at me, and I was like, kind of like I didn't really recognize him, never seen him before. Anyway, so I didn't think anything of it. I kept playing. kept playing. Then a little bit later, the guy's walking by again, and he's like looking at me again. I'm like thinking, like, do I know this guy or something? Like, why is he looking at me? So then about 40 minutes later, I'm standing there waiting because I was like, it was my turn to be off the court. So I'm standing there, and then guess who rolls up to me and starts talking to me? The same dude. And I'm like, is this guy hitting on me or something? So I don't know what you guys are thinking, because it's just like, it's not that normal for me to like, when I think of guys, unless you like meet them, like, you know, if you're playing, you're gonna kind of like become friends with them, right? You're gonna like be whatever, then you'll talk, right? But like for a guy to just kind of like out of the blue come up, okay, right? So I was kind of like a little weird, whatever. We had a little conversation. Super nice guy. And then but the weird thing is, I was leaving the court after we finished playing pickleball, right? I'm walking out the door, and I was like just walking out, and out of nowhere, the guy yells at me, "See you later, Dave." Like, I don't even know where he was. He just like appeared. And then he's like, "See you later, Dave." I'm like, "Oh, okay, later." I'm like, what the heck, man? He was scoping you out? Yeah, I think so. Maybe, right? Like, just out of the blue, like, I was walking out, and like, I swear, like, there's nobody near me. And then just all of a sudden, he just like appeared, and he's like, "Okay, see you later, Dave." So I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it was just a coincidence or what? Now I got a stalker. Scoping you like Mr. Herbert scopes Chris on Family Guy. Big dog profits. Hey, I like that. I like that. I don't know. Do I give off that type of a vibe though? Even is that the case? You know, I'm pretty friendly out in public and stuff, so I'm like, I'm smiling all the time. Maybe he thought I was smiling at him. Captain VIP. Hey, I'm doing good, thanks. How are you doing? So that's my funny story of the day, guys. And no hate against the guy. He seems like a really nice guy, and I would totally like play pickleball with him anytime if he's there, but trade green candles, it happens, you're straight and you've been hit on by guys a few times. Yeah, okay, yeah, I know, I get it, right? Captain VIP, no, well, I did take a couple scalps earlier, but I've been pretty flat at the moment. Some of the people in the chat called out some really good trades. So I've only taken I took 3 trades so far, and I'm up 150 in my one take profit trader account. It's getting pretty close to being passed here. So I need about $149 to get this one passed, I think. Maybe a little bit more, because I think my first day was 1,580, and you need 50% consistency to pass it. So I might have to get a little bit more than 53,000 point. Yeah. What if he's watching right now? I hope not. Because I don't want to like say anything. Like, I'm not saying anything mean about the guy. He seems like a really nice guy, like super friendly, nice guy. So nothing against him, you know. Nothing against him at all. I'm not gonna hate. I don't hate. If anything, I should be flattered, right? Let's put on Angia's favorite song here, guys, because Angia plays electric guitar. So, and there's Angia. Look at that, perfect timing. That's so funny. I literally just put that. I wasn't even watching the chat, and I went over to put the song on, and there's Angia. Look at that, perfect timing. What buffer did they give you at 53,000? Well, it's an evaluation, right? So because I made 1580 on my first trading day, 1,580, I probably have to get, 53,160 to pass it. So the wind is still whipping here. Well, hopefully you don't lose your power there, Lone Wolf. Kind of to be expected playing a game called pickleball. Touche, big dog. I like it. Yeah, that's very valid comment there. Probably means I have nice legs. Oh, thanks, yo, Jim. David Madrid in the house. Good evening. How are you doing? Angia, you just woke up. Are you gonna take a shower? Just so we know, Angia, because if you guys don't know, when Angia takes a shower, the market just drops. So we'd appreciate it if you tell us ahead of time, Angia, if you're gonna take a shower, just so we know what's coming. Uh-oh, I think Angie is gonna go take a shower here. Hey, Skeletor, how you doing, bud? Good evening, good evening. 110 people watching right now. It looks like we got 105 in YouTube, 5 in X. We got 7 in the vertical stream. If you guys are in the vertical stream, come join us in the full-size stream. There's a pinned comment in the chat there. Hit that link. It'll bring you over to the full-size stream. And then when you're over here, we have a pinned comment in this chat, in the full-size stream chat, to take you to the Discord. When you head over to the Discord, head to the giveaway channel, just like this, guys. Show you here real quick. So once you get into the Discord, it'll bring you into the general chat. Oh, Jerry Trades was putting yeah. Look, so it looks like we got Jay Reamer and Abhay in the chat here new. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here to the giveaways entry, right? Click on that one. Scroll all the way to the top here. You'll see a pinned comment at the very top. This one right here. And we got this link right here. So this is how to enter the form for tonight's giveaway. We're giving away a 25K Lucid Flex account. One of the best prop firms out there, guys, if you don't know. So good, so good. Super fast payouts, great customer support. Prices are awesome, You basically, it's a one-time fee. You don't have a monthly subscription, and there's no activation fees. And then using code Butcher, discounts, bros, discounts. They have 50% off until the 2nd. So you got about 4 or 5 more days with 50% off. If you haven't used it already, you can get up to 2 per trader, 50% off per trader. I would recommend if you're like already passing evals, pick up their direct accounts. That way you can just skip right past the eval, and then yeah, sorry, right here. So Lucid Direct, 50Ks, 529 right there. It's a full price with the 50% off. So you're looking at like 260 or 270 for a straight to funded 50K direct account, right? So you don't have to pass an eval. They got a 1,200 daily loss limit, 2,000 max loss. So relatively similar rules as the other firms on a straight to funded account. End of day drawdown. The nice thing is that as you put more buffer into the account, you get more daily loss limit. So if you're putting on a little more size, you have a little more flex room in that. And then the one thing to keep in mind is a 20% consistency. So if you think about that, what it is you take 20%. How many times that go into 100? It goes in there 5 times, right? So your maximum profit day, you have to multiply that by 5, and that's what's going to make your profit target. So if you're shooting for exactly 3,000, you don't want to do more than 600 in one day. 600 times 5 is going to be 3,000. They do have a little bit of a rule on that one. So yes, scalping is allowed, but you have to hold your contracts. I think it's for like 8 seconds. But that being said, if you have the occasional trade where you're doing a trade faster than 8 seconds, they're not going to penalize you. It just can't be more than 100 or more than 50% of your profits or something like that. Then they'll be like, look, you're not allowed to micro scalp like with an algorithm or something like that. So really solid rules there. You got to trade it for 5 days to get a payout because 20% consistency times 5. And then you can also use up to 5 accounts at once. And then I don't know if you guys have looked at the top 1 futures, but if you aren't passing evals, if you're still working on passing evals, definitely check out top 1 futures. This one here, the Elite Access, buy one, get one free, right? So if you were to buy 5 of these 50K accounts, they're only only $39 each. So that would be like 5 times 4, what, $200? 40 times 5 is about $200, and you're gonna get 10 accounts. 10 accounts for $200. So that means you have 10 chances to pass at least one of them to get it to a funded stage. But then just keep in mind there is an activation fee. So if you do pass it, get it activated, is $189. So it is a bit pricey on that side, but just being able to have so many accounts and possibly trying to pass those guys relatively quick, pretty cheap entry, right? $40. Consistency on the challenge is none, so that means you can pass it in 1 day. Drawdown end of day, and daily loss limit none. So the only drawdown, like I said, so if you're not passing all your passing them really easily, then maybe this isn't this is the way to go if you're still working on passing them. If you are passing evals, then I would definitely lean you towards Lucid, right? Just go to their Lucid Flex or their Lucid Pro, or possibly take a look at the Elite Daily. That's another one. It's an evaluation. It's $109 on a monthly fee though. So yeah, check it out and use code Butcher. For top 1 futures, it's either Butcher or Butch, BUTCH. They have a weird thing about only having a certain amount of letters in the discount code. Take a quick look here how we're doing on the subs here, or subs on the likes. 81. So we only need about 19 more, and then we will do that giveaway here, that 25K Lucid Flex account. Hey, DL358, welcome to the Discord. Off topic, beware bulls. Yeah, we're just in that range, guys. This is actually a bearish channel though, right? So more often than not, I would say 75 or 80% chance this is gonna eventually break to the downside. So just keep in mind of that. See, like I have this channel here drawn from previous day. This was on the New York session. When the channel is pointing down, typically we're going to break to the top side. When the channel's pointing up, like this one, we're typically going to break to the downside. Now, it's not a guarantee. It's not a guarantee. You know, anything can happen, but more often than not, and I don't know exactly percentages, but at some point, this is probably going to break to the downside. So just keep that in mind. Oil should be through the roof. I'm long and it's barely up. Why should oil be through the roof? Do we have some bad news about Israel-Lebanon signed framework agreement? Well, that's not bearish news. We just got that about, that was June 26th. That's old. That's old. What's going on with my financial juice here? It's so behind. I gotta refresh it. There we go. Oh, you can get a 4th of July sale. Happy Independence Day. 80% off Pro financial juice. Iran and USA are still attacking each other. Really? Was there some news about that? I haven't seen anything. US strikes on Iran targets are ongoing now. What? Yeah, no kidding, Mick. No kidding. That was on the 26th. So it's still going on? Oh. Middle East war updates. US-Iran appear to be returning to talks to end the war. That was at the start of the session here. I can't believe this, man. It's like one way or the other. Iran hit what? Hit a cargo with a drone. Oh, what a douche. What a bad move. Trump said they're going to sign something again earlier today. Yeah, that's what I saw. That's what I just read right there. Middle East war updates. US-Iran appear to be returning to talks to end the war. Friday or Saturday, you think? Yeah. It's almost like the market's just getting desensitized to it and they just don't even care anymore, you know? Geez, shorting the top of that channel, Chris, man. I don't know if you're still in that trade or not, but look how beautiful of a short that was. Right at the 600s. I did short it, but I scalped it pretty quick. I only made 30 bucks or so. Israel won't let the war end? Of course not. Why would they, right? They have too much vengeance. Gordon, you're short since 600. Nice trade, Gordon. Beautiful. 70 points. And we're pushing. It'll be interesting to see what happens here. I wouldn't really want to long this now that I see that we're in this bearish channel, because this thing could roll over anytime. You heard one negotiator said that most people can be two-faced, but Iranians are like 5, 6, 7 faced. Wow. Wow. You don't think the Iranians are the bad guys? Israel's goal is to expand its territory. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't really know. I can't really say between Israel and Iran who the bad guys are. But I do know that, Iran, from what I hear, obviously I don't have proof, that they're a terrorist nation, right? A terror nation. So them not having nuclear weapons, I think, is probably a good thing. But again, I don't really know that much. Maybe I'm talking out of my butt. So all the conflicts in the ME have been instigated by Israel with the help of the US and England. Gotcha. I knew a girl who married an Iranian guy. She said her life was just like that movie, not without dying. My daughter died, not without my daughter. Oh yeah, I saw that movie, Mick. That's crazy, right? Can't leave the country. That's wild. Yeah. It's funny, Iranians at times are easier to get along with than Americans. Oh, really? Iran is protecting its neighbors. Gotcha. Iranian people are wonderful. The regime are assholes. Of course, yeah. I wouldn't. I know that all countries have amazing good people, right? But it's just the people who are in power are usually the problem, right? And I just wish all of the governments could just be good, work together, make the world prosperous, and just have an amazing time. We have assholes in the US too, yeah, and they're also in Canada. Yeah, they are. They're also in Canada, so I can't agree more. I don't know what I did, but I got to clean my glasses again. What the heck? But so is the US. The US is the only country that has bombed every other country or taken out presidents. Yeah, I mean, it's a valid point. The sociopaths are in charge. The sociopaths are in charge. That's no way to talk about your prime minister. You mean Governor Carney? Later, Gordon? Did Gordon say he's got to go, or? Cashing out. Good night. Okay, Gordon. See you, buddy. Yeah, I didn't see that. I missed that. LOL. It's clear who has a clear agenda of expanding Iran never attacked any neighbors till they started and are defending it. I'm not Iranian, but it's clear. Okay. I mean, I like to hear other people's inputs, so it's interesting to see. Everyone's got their own past that they've gone through life, and it's interesting to see, to hear different points of views. I usually just try to stay neutral, except for when it comes to the Canadian government. Then I gotta lean towards one side, just because the current government isn't not doing great for our country. So Iran is not trying to expand. News will always lie. They always got an agenda to deliver. Yes, that is 100% true. Can't agree more with that. Especially when the Canadian government pays them $1.4 billion a year. Subsidize them. I just used to believe that the lies the US government feeds us until I actually did my own research. Yeah, GLaDOS. Yeah. That's kind of exactly the same situation that I'm in Canada. It's all propaganda. Come on, just get your Mandarin down now. Yeah. Woman Kaisaba. Let's go. China doesn't look so bad these days, to be honest. Oh, well, you can't trust that. You can't say that, GLaDOS. Again, the Chinese people are great, but the government is, you know, they got a long-term plan to basically like take over the world. So 我是大伟，请问你叫什么名字？这个房子非常好。你很漂亮，谢谢。不客气。Yeah, I got a head start with the Mandarin. 15 more likes, is that where we're at? $85, yeah, we need 15 more. 15 more. We got 112 people watching. Come on, hit a like button for my Mandarin. Come on. Happy for you. Oh, happy for you. I like it. No, I'm not in a trade right now. I'm flat. Zach, yeah, what's up, Zach? Zach's in the house. Chinese have always played the long game. They're ahead of the USA in robotics. Yeah, they're ahead in a lot of things. Just landed back stateside. Nice. How was your vacation, Zach? Yeah, province side. Yeah. Who's long 15 contract? Don't say that, Kyle. Don't get somebody sucked in. 15 is 0 in Mandarin. Let's race. 15 15 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 哦8 9 10 Break it to the downside on the 5-minute chart. Yes, we are. Tried to pop there, found some resistance on, what is that? Friday's VWAP, Thursday's VWAP, and the middle of the channel, which is also sort of the 580 level. So 13 plane rides, 4 countries, 20 days. I'm broke, but it was fun. Why am I learning Mandarin? I've been slowly learning it for about 10 years. I was dating a Chinese woman before, and that got me interested in the culture and the language, and then just never stopped learning it, right? So I use a little app. It's called Chinese Skill. I'll show you guys here real quick. Chinese Skill. And then it's kind of like a sort of like a Duolingo app, and then it's got all these, like, you know, these sections. These are all the ones that I've completed. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of sections. Kind of talks about talking and family and food, languages, family and counting, age and counting, professions, skills, weekdays, dates, time, dining, shopping, clothing, weather, the public, transport, purpose, navigation, relationships, professions, frequency, comparison, and so on and so on. There is a free version, but I ended up buying the full one a while back. And then it has like some scenarios where you gotta write the characters also. And then it has like some like conversation stuff that you got to pass too. So, but I got through all the free parts. So then I paid for it, and I paid for it quite a while ago. So there's always a woman involved. That's how I learned French and photography. Nice, Jerry. Nice. Chris, you're a cheap ass on stuff like that. Yeah, I mean, I was too until like I got to the end and I like really wanted to. Yeah, everybody hit the like. Kyle needs to go to bed. Similar to Duolingo? Yeah. Similar, definitely. I don't know. Do you got to pay for Duolingo? Also, I've never had that app. 11 likes, guys. 11 likes. And then make sure if you're here new in the channel, hit the pinned comment there in the chat. Head to the Discord and fill out the form in the giveaway channel so you can be entered in tonight's giveaway. And just so you guys know, everyone that is here, after tonight, we're gonna reset the form on Discord. So tomorrow or anytime throughout the week before next Sunday, make sure you head back to the Discord and you'll have to refill out the form, because after tonight we're gonna reset it. Tonight is the last Sunday of the month, right? Yes, today's the last Sunday of the month. So we're gonna be resetting that form after we do the last of the month Sunday giveaway. So yeah, when Kyle falls asleep, he wins. I was the first like. I loved both your streams. Does that count for 2? No, it doesn't, unfortunately. Actually, you know what? I could count the ones on the other stream, but I'm not really paying attention to that one over there. I'm just going by the mainstream here, so the mainstream. Luciano just joined the Discord. Welcome, welcome. 93, 7 more likes, guys. 7 more likes. You guys got this. Excuse me for a moment, guys. I'll be right back. Gonna do a bathroom break. Let's go. I used Duolingo for a while, but it's not that good. Gotcha. Duolingo tries to boss me around, so I tend to rebel. Notifications nag you like a girlfriend. All right. I'm just a trader. Welcome, welcome. It was worth the try. Yeah. Duolingo makes you feel bad for not using it. That's so funny. You guys two of you just made the similar comment about Duolingo. Jerry and GLaDOS, you guys totally agree on Duolingo, obviously. So I'm kind of wondering if this is where we're going to roll over, guys, because, we did kind of we made a new high, right? We kind of swept the last high, and then we're back at the bottom of the channel. So this is going to be definitely a key area. If we start getting below this with some momentum, 450, maybe 400 is going to be the next target, right? No wonder I'm always balls deep in everything. At Apple? Apple? I've been learning Mandarin at my local rub and tuck massage parlor? Bro, really? Where do you live? How do you say happy ending in Mandarin? 我开心. I'm happy. I was short from 29,561. Relford. Oh my god, that's the trade of my life, boys. Really? 29,561? Nice trade, nice trade. Did we hit 100 likes? This is an adult show, guys. Careful. I'm going for another lesson on Tuesday afternoon. Exactly, we hit 100. Well, Kaixing. Yeah, similar. Yeah, pretty much. Wo is like me, but Kaixing is like happy. I'm happy. Let me see. I'll use the translator real quick. JUN man Jeju. Do you watch anime or read manga, Market Butcher? Not that much, no. I just don't really have that much time off of the computers and working at the farm and things like that. So I don't really have that much time to get out and or to watch. You know, I don't really watch much TV. Basically, Profit Factor. So I have watched some anime before, but I haven't read manga. Apple better SS and memorize me happy for a tattoo. Plus tonation. Yeah, you definitely need the right tones. Good to see you, 22 Kieran. All right, guys. So we'll give you guys like 2 or 3 more minutes if you want to get in the Discord and fill out that form. I'll start doing the giveaway here at 45 after the hour. Although we are starting to look bearish here. This is what I was talking about earlier, guys. So we made a new high. We kind of like swept into this bearish fair value gap. Got resistance here after we swept out these highs. Sucked in some buyers. Now we're heading down. So if we can get a closure below 495, like, you know, invert this fair value gap, we can definitely see 460 or even 400 potentially down to the bottom side. Let me take a look at the 1 hour chart here. How are we looking? We got 18 minutes left here on this 1 hour chart. Imagine this thing just flips in the last 18 minutes though. I think that's possible. We're kind of still making lower highs. Well, this is kind of equal highs, actually. That's pretty interesting, actually, there. Gold wants to test the lows. Somebody used my discount code just in the last 42 minutes. Thank you for that. Appreciate you guys. You guys are so good. So good to me. Got out your short for 50 points. Nice job. Nice job. In case we're going to bounce at the bottom of the channel here at the VWAP and stuff. Yeah, I mean, it's smart. One thing you could do is just, you know, scale the majority of your contracts out. I don't know how many contracts you had. If you had only one, then you kind of got to just take it, right? Miss K, the POC shifted. Let me take a look here at, so we just line it up right here. The developing point of control is currently 29,523. So we're basically pretty close on it. Only one? Oh, there you go. Yeah. Well, I mean, you got to take profits then, right? It's fine. This thing might roll over, but this could also be the bouncing point. Because we have been making higher lows and higher highs, but I was just saying, like, this could be a good opportunity for them to like rip it lower because we just swept out the recent highs and then we've been bearish all the way down. We also had this little pump candle here that got rejected really hard. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see where the buyers decide to step in. You had the same thought. I usually get at least 2, but was feeling good about it. Yeah, for sure. I mean, you can make a lot of money still just trading 1 micro. And, you know, at the same time, you can also protect the risk, right? Young man Jeju. There you go, guys. Now you know how to say it. 我喜欢中国人。中国人很美丽。It's a live account tonight, protecting risk for sure. Oh, yeah. Very good. Very good. Apple wrote it down. That was adorable. What I just said there, you mean? I said, I like China. China is beautiful. The country is pretty beautiful there if you guys haven't been. I've been to China 2 times. I went to Shanghai, Beijing, Hangzhou, and the Great Wall, and then a bunch of other smaller cities in Zhejiang province. The pronunciation, yeah. All right. You're drunk and trading. Oh, man. Well, careful, man. Don't do it. Well, I mean, hopefully you're a good drunk trader. He's got the bowls of steel when he's drinking. But don't blow any accounts, bro. Don't blow any accounts. Alex, how many evals did I take before my first payout? Well, I'm not a very good example because I actually went straight to funded really early, and I got my first payout at about a month after. So, I mean, I've gone through multiple evals in the year, like throughout the year after that. But I did get my first payout like 1 month in after trading futures. So I'm not the best example for that, but yes, I would say I'm not necessarily a profitable trader yet because the money that I put out, whether it's to like for Bookmap, like you guys see there, the Bookmap, or TradeZella, or I have a subscription to a streaming and education platform, and then paying for evals, you know, I'm still negative, but hopefully this is going to be the year where we do it. So Andrew Tate, no, I didn't do the giveaway. We're about to do it here pretty quick. So if you got like the last chance to get in the Discord, if you haven't already filled out that form to get in there and do it, I was about to head over there and download the file and get it ready to do the duck race here in a few minutes. So it's a last moment. So maybe just go to sleep and wait for New York. Yeah, probably a good idea, Manuel. I wouldn't want to trade when you're drunk. You might like put on too much size. So thanks, Ryan. Yeah, I hope so. Slow and steady. Sunday giveaway form. Looks like we have about 163 entries. $164 entries. Luciano just got in there. Okay, let's I'm gonna export. What did I do before futures trading? Alex, I started trading stocks originally in about 2018. I started with like trading Canadian stocks. Then I started getting into the US market a bit. After that, I went into options for a while. Then I took a bit of a hiatus. I was still, learning and developing, you know, the knowledge part for an extended period of time. That was from 2018. But I really only got into futures trading in the start of 2025. So I'm a little over a year now of quite actively trading futures. Okay, so I'm gonna download the file now, guys. So last chance to get in there in the next, oh, it looks like somebody just got in there. Chong Chi, welcome. So I'm gonna download that right now. Download CSV file. No, yeah, CSV file. Getting a little pop here, guys. Looks like the channel is holding for now. And then we'll upload this to the Discord, or not to the Discord, to ChatGPT. We already hit the like target, Andrew. So I just got to go through the list, make sure that there's no duplicates, add in the people who have the extra duck entries, and then we're gonna get this race going here. Dude, I was trying to put the fire emoji next to some AI songs for the list, and it kept putting my emoji next to the PC kind of song, though I have yet to listen to it. All right. Oh, it's not an extra form, Miss K. It's just like if you've entered, if you've entered during the week and you've won one of those races, then you'll have an extra duck, right? So if you've won a race during the week some point, you'll be entered in with like a second duck kind of idea. Yeah, and if you haven't already filled out the form, Profit Factor, you got to head into the Discord. Geez, guys. Let's see here. All right. Duck list text. Yeah, it is. It's Sunday. We got pretty low volume. It's a weekend and it's Sunday, so Yeah, if you hit the link, Kieran, in the chat there, once you go hit the link, you'll join the Discord, and then you got to head over to the giveaway channel. Once you go to the giveaway channel, scroll to the very top. There's a pinned comment in the giveaway channel with the form. You can fill it out there. Yeah, no problem, Kieran. Looks like we got Catherine that added, just entered the giveaway also. Well, my bias is that we're pretty range bound. Hey, Catherine. So it's hard to say at this point. Obviously, we're getting a pretty bearish candle at the moment here, so. I think longs let it ride until New York. It's hard to say. You never know with this market, right? And like I was saying earlier, this is a bearish channel. So there's a high likelihood that we're going to break to the downside at some point. So whether or not that's now, maybe it's going to be later. We do have an hourly candle coming up here pretty soon. So looks like we got a couple more people. MYFX Trading also just joined, or just added to the Discord there. No, more people join the race. Yes, Profit Factor. Go to the giveaway channel. There's a little giveaway channel. Click on that, and then when you get in the giveaway channel, scroll to the very top of the giveaway channel, and there will be a pinned comment there at the very first comment in that channel, and there will be a little link to a form that you just fill out. You see, got it. Nice. Good. 37 seconds here. We're holding this bullish fair value gap at the moment. Now this candle closure here, we got 30 seconds and we got a new hourly candle. So just beware here, guys. Not sure what we're going to do here, but let's see how this candle closes here. If they pop it up a little bit before the end of this candle, we might end up bouncing. 4-hour candle looking good. Do we have a new 4-hour candle coming? Or is it... We got 1 hour left on this 4-hour. Little pop there. Bear's trying to take control. No, I'm flat right now, Red. How about you? Are you in anything? I'm just waiting for some of these last people to get into the form here. We are breaking out of that channel though now, guys. Your eyelids hit you? Sorry, Chris, we're almost done. Or sorry, Kyle, we're almost done. Okay, looks like Profit Factor got in there. So I think we're going to do this form now, guys. So I just need to grab a couple more names here. YouTube names. So... There we go. We're good. All right. So we're going to get this form going, or this giveaway going here, guys. Good luck. So we got about 201 names in there. Good luck to the winner. Full screen. Get the duck race song going. Gotta take off these banners, take this one off, and we will do a 156. Give it a couple shuffles here. Hey, Dad. Dad's in the house. What's up? Please check last time my name was not in there. Good luck. Yeah, I don't see Andrew Tate in the form. Let me just quickly search here. Yeah, I don't think you filled out the form, Andrew. That's why. You gotta go to the Discord to fill out the form to get in on the giveaway. Yes, we're still on the last form. We're gonna reset the form after today. All right. Only 96 viewers. Yeah, I know. So it is what it is. People entered. They might not be here. So anyways, let's get this thing going here. We'll set this. We'll shuffle it a couple times and we'll get the race going. Okay, let's shuffle it. Good luck, good luck. All right, good luck. Here we go, guys. Let's do this. Good luck on the 25K eval, flex eval here. Good luck, good luck. Index Camel, Matthew Lai, Gary LP3, Nick's Indian YouTube. What's up? Savage Princess. Paul versus World, Martinez 1976, Vikram, Miss K, Daddy D, TC23, K Poppers, Force Fed, Gary LP3, Reds Everyday Dog Training, Jerry Trades, Chewy, Profit Factor, Drew 69 Malibu, Sovereignty, that. Force Fed, Apple 1991, Bull Pathfinder, the Tsai family, Elite Weapon. There's Andrew Tate coming from the back. 50 seconds left here, guys. Trading Game, Market Echo Chamber, Yo Jim Blob, GCX Factor, Timbo, Bull Pathfinder, Wayne. Good luck, good luck. 20 seconds here, guys. 20 seconds. Stop loss is going to be hit there. GCX Factor, Nick's Indian YouTube knocked out of there. Candle King Trader pushing up here. Chewy 1355. Martin, who's going to win? Looks like Martin might take this, guys. Is Martin in the chat right now? Looks like Martin took it. Dave, was my name in there twice? I remember winning an extra duck. Yes, it probably was. Was close, Miss K. Martin, are you here? Martin, holler at us, bro. Let us know. Let us know. Always just close, Adam. Sorry, Miss K. Martin, we'll give you another 30 seconds. Let's see in the chat. No, I don't see him. I don't see the at Martin at all. I do not see the at Martin. Okay, we're going to race it again here. Let's do this. I took Martin out of the race there. We'll shuffle this once and we'll get going. Good luck here. Well, if we don't get a winner off this one, we're going to shorten it. So, says the serial name changer. I hope I see my name this time. Ryan Entourage. Let's see. Hopefully. Sometimes it's good not to see your name because then it means you're going to be in the back and then you're going to come from the back and be like, boom, winner. Any less than 5 races would be abnormal, right, GLaDOS? Yeah, that's true. That's true. This song's pretty fitting right now. Bye-bye to my duck. Miss K twice. Yeah, some people have multiple. They've won extra ducks throughout the week, M. Brown. My kids made a video of this for them to see in the morning. Oh, yeah. Yeah, if you're here through the week and you win a duck race, you end up getting a extra duck on the giveaway day. So if you guys are active streaming, through the streams, you get a good opportunity to get some extra ducks here. 18 seconds, some stop losses are hit here. Knocking some people to the back. Zumane, are you going to win this one? 10 seconds left here. 8 seconds. No, rejected. Who's coming up from the back? Martinez or Richard Dowdy? I don't know if I saw Richard Dowdy tonight, guys. Did you guys see him? I don't see Richard Dowdy tonight either, I don't think, guys. Barely. I doubt Richard is here. Yeah, I don't think Richard's here, guys. So I think we should probably just run it back. Okay, let's do it. We're gonna run it back here, but I'm gonna change the time a little bit here. Let's make it a little bit faster, so clear. We'll do it 40 seconds. Good luck, one shuffle. Let's get it going. Good luck, good luck. Here we go, here we go. 44 seconds. Oh, sorry, Angie, I should have done that. I'll do it. We'll change it to 44 on the next one. Copy new names? No, sorry, bro. We're doing the names of the people that are on the list. Some rules. CD Zen. There you CD Zen. Angum Hilter in the Trump duck there. I put the wrong name on the form. That's all good. As long as you know, as long as it's relatively close to your name, it's fine. 4 seconds here. Who's going to win? GoldenEye or Eugene? GoldenEye? GoldenEye. I don't see GoldenEye either. Got a few moments here. Golden Eye, are you here? Are you here? One more. All right, I don't think GoldenEye's here, so let's set it to 44 seconds as per Angia's wish. Clear. What? Clear. 44. Set. Let's go. Good luck. Good luck. No shuffle. No shuffle. I won last week. Am I too late? You're knocking your head on the door closed. Who won last week? I think Angia won last week, right? Was it Angia though? No, it wasn't Angia. Angia was the week before. I forgot. That was it was Brit. Brit won last week. Fade the spike. Fade the spike. Fade the spike. Are you here, buddy? I'm not seeing fade the spike either. So I'm not going to wait around too long here. Let's get ready here. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fade the spike. Fade it away. One shuffle. Let's go. Good luck, good luck. We're going to find the winner on this one. Good luck, guys. We got this, we got this. Kyle needs to go to bed. I am ready. Angia's ready, guys. Do whack, whack, whack. Vigo's in the front of the pack here, guys. Oh, Vigo got rejected. Greg P. Greg P in the house. Greg P, are you here? I don't see Greg. Okay, let's do it. We're going to shorten the time a little bit now. Again, since we're clear, we'll do 22 seconds now. Greg Peed. Never heard of Greg. Me neither. Good luck here. This is going to be a quick one, guys. If we can't get a winner on this one, we're just going to keep cutting the time in half until we can. Holy beans, Batman. Who's going to get this? Zumane. Zumane, are you here? I haven't seen Zumane either. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Sorry, Zumane. Clear this. 11 seconds, guys. 11 seconds. We're running out of time here. It's going to be a quick one. Who's ripping from the back here? Vikram. Oh, Vikram with the reindeer. The Jolly Balls. The Jolly Balls. I don't see the Jolly Balls either here in the chat. The Jolly Balls, are you here? So what's half of 11, guys? 6 or 5? Good luck. 6 seconds. Gonna be a quick one. Dr. Sai. Oh, who's winning? The Sai family. The Sai family. I don't think the Sai's here either. That's too bad. He's usually pretty active. That was the best race yet. Yeah, we're gonna stick with the 6 seconds. It's pretty awesome, isn't it? Okay, let's go. We'll do it again here. Let's go again here. We'll be quick here. We'll just keep doing this. Good luck here. Who is it? Who's it gonna be? Bevel? Nope. Trade by Shaz. Nope, doesn't look like trades here either. So race again. Let's do this. We're gonna be quick. Good luck here. Whoa, Alfie Rogelio. Doesn't look like Alfie's here either. No, it's we've been the problem is that we collect these names over a month, right? So by the time we get to the end of the month, there's a lot of people, that aren't here for the Sunday giveaways. So it is what it is. We'll just keep doing this. We'll be over this pretty soon here. Pick me. Alpha Captain Capital Trader. I don't see Alpha either in the at Alpha. Good luck. Here we go. We're slowly weeding out the people that aren't here. Moonboy. Scalp Million. Okay, we'll do one more, guys. If we don't get a winner on the first place, we're going to go to second and third. Oh, my F is ready. Angia. What the heck? Throwing out the F-bombs. Okay. This will be the last one, guys. If we don't have a winner in first place, we're going to go to second and third place. Okay? Good luck. M Stowe 11. I don't see M Stowe either here. So let's take a look. Who's in second place? Puran! Puran, are you here still? That's awesome if Puran's here. Puran, don't tell me Puran left, man. Are you watching in Puran? If you're watching in X, yeah, you're here. There you go, bud. Good job. Congrats, bud. There you go. Puran's often always around. So congratulations, Puran. Good job. All right, Puran, send me a message or put a message in the Discord where put a message in the Discord and I'll send you a message here and then I'll send you the code. Red, I'm gonna have to check out your the song you sent me there, Red, in a minute here. Liquidated. Yeah, just holler at me in the Discord there, Puran. Just say something in the general chat or wherever, and then I'll yeah, sorry. Yeah, it is pretty hard, isn't it, Angia? Now a 1 second race? Yeah. Let's just do a 1 second race just for fun, guys. I'm just curious to see what happens on a 1 second race. All right, let's do it. Race again. Full screen. We'll edit it to a 1 second clear, 1 second set. You guys are ready for this thing? This is gonna be savage. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Rocket fuel. Keith Matthew. Let's race it again. James Wonder. Satish. Mark Rowan. That's awesome. So fast. I think 1 second is too short. We need it to be like 2 seconds or something. Puran. Okay, Puran, I got you. Puran, you're gonna have to let me add you as a friend. It says you're not accepting friend requests, or else I can't really send you the link. Because if you don't want me to put it in the in the Discord, because then you're not gonna get it. So it's gotta be a private message, or else you in trouble. Yeah, congrats on that. Sure, if you want. Yeah, you can do that. That works. That works also if you want to shoot me a DM in X, for sure. See ya, Kieran. Have a great night. I send you a message there, Puran. Okay, Puran, so what you're going to do is you're going to head to Lucid, right? Straight to funded, that means you know it's like a direct account. So for example, the Lucid direct account skips the evaluation stage, right? But when I went straight to funded, I was with Top One Futures. I went to their instant sim funded. You can get 50% off there using my discount code. So it's about $340 to go straight to funded for a 50K. So that means you don't have to pass an evaluation. You get like an instant funded account. So that means as soon as you hit the profit target, you can take money out. You don't have to like pass an eval. So if you're not passing evals, then I wouldn't go straight to funded, right? But if you've passed a bunch of evals and you're willing to put a little more money on the line, then I think Top One Futures is probably one of the best for straight to funded. But if you haven't used your 50% off, the Lucid Direct is also available right now for 50% off with Lucid. So okay, Puran, so I'm going to send you, like I was saying, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to Lucid, go click on the Lucid Flex, right? Go to the 25K like this, click on select platform. And then once you select your platform, you'll be able to get the discount. Go to the discount code. You're going to put in the little code that I'm going to send you right now. Coupon management, Lucid Flex 25K eval, copy. And then once you've done that, please take a screenshot or let me know, somehow try to let me know that you've got it. And just because I need to keep track so that I can remove the code from my coupon management page on Lucid. There you go. I sent it to you. Yeah, if you can just after you've got that, once you got that account, the free account, just let me know. So Richie, why trade on a 4-hour candle? Why trade on a 4-hour candle? 4-hour candles are definitely a decent candle to watch, right? Really helps you form your 4-hour bias. Sorry if I missed your message there. That was like 30 minutes ago. I just looked over. He was in the vertical stream. Been so busy looking at the chat here regarding the duck race. So this 1-hour bullish fair value gap's holding. Looks like we have a 4-hour bearish one above though. So we kind of got really conflicting fair value gaps at the moment. And 30 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. Are they going to push it all the way up here into the 600s? Interesting. Looks pretty bullish to me at the moment, but I don't know what you guys are thinking. This is the funny song. Bro, I think I have a gambling problem. I was up 2K on day one for my XFA, then ran it all the way down to 1K daily loss limit. Damn. Well, I know, Zach, I know you do like to trade with size, right? And when you're trading with size, it's pretty easy to get into that kind of a situation, right? It comes just as fast as you get it, it can go away, right? So it's tough, especially when you're going with some size on it, right? 15 micros is a lot. Especially if you're on it's easy to lose $1,000 to $2,000 on a 15 micros. Like I'm trading 1 to like 3 micros. So you're like 5x higher than me, right?
Yo, Jim Blab says NQ dirty. Misk says maybe wait. Angie posts the whole schedule while I'm entering too late. Kyle says hit the like button. Randy says wait for VWAP. I say nah, this thing.
Look at this candle here, guys. Wow. Just ripping up here. We got 5 seconds on this candle.
Value area low. Everybody knows where price should go. Except me. Frank the Great Pyrenees watches. Ralph the Frenchie shakes his head. Both of them have better discipline than me sitting at my desk. Even the duck race understands risk. Even the ducks know when to quit. But somehow I still average down while the whole chat's watching it.
I have a solution. I'm going to set up a stream desk and join. Then I'll pussy out.
Tiny paper cut into a full excavator. I'm an honest trader. The drawdown.
So I'm about, looks like I'm about around $100 away from passing Lucid Pro, or Lucid, or sorry, not a Lucid Pro, Take Profit Trader.
Already regretting this. Boner candle straight to heaven, then it dumps like every single time. The duck race starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast. Savage princess starts laughing. Poor guy's duck is dead in last. Then 18 seconds left to go. The stop losses all ignite. Some random duck comes from nowhere and wins the whole thing overnight. I'm an Amish trader, a funded account evaporator. I passed 3 evils in a row, then somehow got much worse later. I'm an Amish trader.
Nice, Purin. Awesome. Thank you for that. Congratulations on that one. Dave, what's the best 25K Pro eval or flex? Well, so it depends, right? So if you're used to catching like really big moves, like if you're good at getting into a long and like adding into it and like, you know, really riding it for a long period of time, making a really big winning day, then the flex is definitely the way to go. But if you're just more of a consistent, you know, make a few $100, $300 a day, the Pro is probably the better account. And the reason being is, you know, the flex has no consistency, right? But you do have to get 5 days of a, what is it? How much is it for the Lucid? Let me just take this here for a sec. Let me see. So if it's a 25K flex, is it $75 a day? 5 days at 75, I think.
5 seconds later, I ignored them and got repeatedly punched in the face. I'm an Amish trader, a professional account derailer. I see a breakout.
Flex 25K funded rules. 5 days of $100. Thank you, Puran. Appreciate that. So yeah, so that's the only limitation with the to get a payout, right? Is you got to do 5 days of $100, but there's no consistency on those accounts, right? So that's the good thing about the flex. Whereas the pro funded account is a 40% consistency, which is really good, right? You can make, you know, a little less than half of the profit target. So if your profit target is 1250 or 1500, can't remember exactly. You can make, you know, almost half of that in one day. So, so it really comes down to your style of trading, right? I like the flex because there's no consistency on it, but the pros are good also. And then the pros, you do get a little bit of a higher payout cap, so that you can withdraw more off the pro account, right? Thanks, Puran. I got it. Congratulations on that one. Congrats.
Starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast.
Oh yeah, so the Flex account, right? You have to have 5 trading days of $100 of profit before you can be approved for a payout. So you do have like minimum targets, but part of the requirement to get the payout is 5 $100 days, winning days. And that's just a rule behind their payouts, right? So whereas a pro is kind of like, it's just a 40% consistency once you hit the profit target of, I think it's 1,500 on Lucid. So once you hit that, then you can take a payout from it, right? So it's just slightly different rules. One has consistency, one doesn't. And then, you know, you got the 5 trading days where you got to make X amount of dollars, $100 in the 25K, 150 in the 50K.
Good night, everybody.
So the pro account funded rules. Yeah, so 3 days to pay out. You can get a payout in 3 days with a 40% consistency score. NQ's going to all-time highs? You think so? Oh, excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Hopefully that wasn't too loud.
My setup looked pretty swell. Then I bought a giant boner candle and immediately rode it straight to hell. Mustang drew me 20 levels. Market butcher said, "Go chase."
You have 15 TPT pros I could reset, which would be the same as buying a sim funded. No consistency. Yeah. Or you could just, you know, buy 5 evals for the same cost as one and just try to pass one. You know, you could just go heavy on, oh, I guess you got to trade it 50% consistency and you got to trade it for a number of days. So yeah, it's not as smooth, right? I know I thought about that before, just doing a reset, but then it's like, I'd rather just buy 5 evals, copy trade them nice and slow, and try to pass them all. Zach, I bought 2 Take Profit Trader evals, and on the first day I made 1,500. And guess what? I forgot freaking contracts on the chart for one of them, and I woke up the next morning and it was blown. So sad. Thanks for my forced 1K daily loss limit on tall steps. I have another day tomorrow. Yeah. Oh my God, it's already 10:45 here. You've done that twice, Randall? Yeah, I know. It sucks. I woke up and I'm like, what the heck, man? Like, I had 1580 in that account on the first trading day and 1580 in the other one. And then for some reason, I left some on there. So, hey, the Punisher, how you doing? Rebuild the XFA 1K and drawdown? Yeah, for sure. This thing's just not stopping, is it, here? Well, I'm in this long right now, trailing it up this micro, 1 micro long, up about 40 bucks here. Stopped out there, made 31 bucks. Getting so close to passing this eval here. Got 52,988 in that account. So Bitcoin's going to 47K? Really? That's not good. Oy. It's awesome to DCA. I purchased 20K, 25K flex eval with your code. Hey, thanks, Lee. I appreciate that. Thank you for the support. So much appreciate that. You guys are so generous to me with using my code. I know it's a discount and whatever, but I do appreciate you guys, you know, thinking of me when you do that. So much appreciated.
I woke up at the Globex open, thought my setup looked pretty swell. Then I bought a giant boner candle and immediately wrote it.
Where is STFU? Here, this one. Let's crank this one up. This one's a banger.
Mustang trader, market butcher. Another Sunday, another Globex, another 1,000 traders looking for the secret. STFU. The chart already told you.
VWAP talking. Why you talking back?
Why you talking back? Mustang got the levels on the map. But you got the entries, that's a fact. Everybody gangster till they drop down crack. Half these traders want a Lambo by noon. 3 red candles got them crying in the room. I'm just waiting on a clean MNQ dirty, but she still pay me. They ask me how I trade 9 accounts. Slow down, kid, let's talk amounts. 1 base hit beats 10 revenge trades. Most accounts die from ego mistakes. Bone candle straight into resistance. Chat screaming along with full conviction. 5 minutes later, everybody disappeared. Now they post a motivational quotes out of fear. Gold heavy, oil slippery, nat gas explosive. Charts don't care about your feelings. STFU. VWAP talking, why you talking back? STFU. Mustang got the levels.
Richard's got the entry. That's a fact. Hey, 1,618 subscribers now. So we went from 1605. So we got 13 subscribers today. Thank you. Welcome to anyone who is new. Appreciate you guys for being here, of course, obviously. You guys rock. $2K soon? Yes, I agree. We'll get there soon.
Everybody wants to pay out today. Nobody wants to learn the patient way. Globex open, volume thin, still enough for disciplined traders to win. One good setup, all that we need. Not 50 trades fueled by greed.
I'll check out that video, Zach. Thanks for sharing. Just be careful here, guys. Remember, this is a bearish channel, so this could end up playing nonsense with us here.
Market butcher, Mustang trader. No crystal balls, no magic indicators. Just charts, patience, and discipline. See you at Globex.
Charts up, coffee hot.
Coffee hot. Bona candles loaded. Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market butcher on the mic. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas explosive. Let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat this side. Bona candle print and the bears all high. Market butcher gang, keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine.
You just got to work. Yeah, I'm. We're on a little bit late tonight for some reason. I don't know. I'm just still going. We're just still going. We finished our duck race, and then I've been just chilling out, listening to some of these tunes, enjoying the stream, hanging out. We vibing. It's like a nightclub in here right now. I'm working on it, Chris. I started a website. So I got marketbutchertrades.com, and then I started a Shopify store. So I'm just in the process of designing shirts. So it'll be here soon. Soon. See, this is like designing the shirts right here. I picked a couple, like a nice quality shirt and a nice quality sweater. I'm gonna have a baseball cap and a coffee cup. Your wife might think other ways, Ryan. Right? Women are hard to please, though, right, brother? Slow compounding while the futures rage. Can't influence yelling ace pump in chat. Good tracks deep, well managed. Imagine that lone wolf blue say oil. I'm so close to passing this eval though. I just don't really want to trade it where it is right now. A hoodie, yeah, a hoodie. Yeah, like a hoodie like this. Uh-oh. That didn't work. It disappeared as soon as I made it big. Where did it go? Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer, structure. FEG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlists, where's it from? Kyle ask what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet. MNQ is dirty, and the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine, another one shows. Net gas. Just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy. Net gas explosive. If you ain't ready, Mustang trader. Market but your crew. Base hits forever. That's what we do. Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember, MNQ is dirty, 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 dirty. MNQ is dirty. Man, this thing just ripping, eh? Yeah, it's pretty much chasing up here. You can't really take it. We're all the way at the value area high and top of the channel. Bearish fair value gap. Things are pretty risky at this moment. I mean, there's a chance we might rip still. We might still just go. But this would be a key area that we could potentially reject off of, right? Especially if we don't make a new high here from this. Explosive. Let's work. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat this side. Bona candle print and the bears all high. Market but you gang, keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the Just as I say that, it starts popping up. Big BCs everywhere in British Columbia right now.
Cowdunga yelling double top, maybe. Next candle ripping market acting crazy. No, it's not. While the breakout fly, then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yojin blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid val. Whoop, whoop, loud. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Have and calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. 1 micro today can become a house build.
Okay, well, I took a little scalp there, guys. I actually shorted the top there on that little pullback. So I'm above. I'm above 53,000 now, 5308. But I don't think I'm going to pass it yet. So I'm going to leave this till tomorrow, and then I'll see what's left to pass this account. Because I just need probably just a little bit more to pass this account. But I'm just going to wait for the dashboard to tell me what I need to get here. Because it doesn't update that fast, right? So I'll just leave it for tomorrow. Bro, you should pass mine. I wish it was that easy, don't you think?
Well managed. Imagine that lone wolf blue say oil dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris spy ATH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty,
Dirty.
I love it. No revenge. Under posting schedules every day. Pre-market and wide Globex all the way. Discord loaded milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top 1 Lucid, funded dreams alive. 1 Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking longer short from what? Answer, structure. FEG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Analysts asking playlists, where's it from? Kyle ask what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet. NQ is dirty. And the whole chat knows sometimes it don't.
The most amount of funded I've had is 11 total. I also had 9 at the start of the year and lost them. So it goes up and down sometimes. I lost a couple last week, so I'm down a bit from the 11, but I still have a bunch. Probably not much longer here. We'll just stick around for the hourly candle. Let's see what happens on the hourly candle since we're so close. I'm just trying to get into my TPT account. I gotta open up the authenticator, and we gotta change the song since we're up to date here, or since this song is ending here.
Let me tell you a story about traders.
Yeah, the giveaway, we did that about an hour ago, Hayden. And just so you guys know, we're going to change the form. So starting sometime next week, make sure you pop into the Discord and refill out the Sunday giveaway form. We're going to start a fresh one here again.
Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says
ATH tomorrow.
Other guy says massive crash incoming. Meanwhile, NQ just sitting there, confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says.
Yeah, so I think I need to make, my profit target is 3,163. So I still need to make $160 to pass this thing. So we're close. Made about, I put 300 into that account today.
Journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea.
No send it. I think I'm gonna be patient. We'll just wait for tomorrow anyways. Maybe I'll find a nice banging trade tomorrow for it. Worst thing I could do is take a $200, $300 loser and then be like, Jaded, you have a good night, bud. Good night. Yeah, it's pretty hard to take a trade up here where it is right now. It's like I want to short it because of where it is, but then at the same time, this thing could just rip all the way up to the 800s here. We got the hourly candle coming right now. Also,
NQ dirty.
Everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading.
pretty high volume candles there. The last two candles.
What's gonna happen? You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the levels. Beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here. Brother, why? The level was right there. It was literally on the screen. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. In your account, emotional. And then the duck race starts, and suddenly the smartest trader.
You want to do a 20-point stop, but I know it'll just get knocked out. Yeah, of course. 20-point stop is super tight, right?
Come on, Gary! Had a plastic duck, and honestly, it's probably the most profitable thing he did all week. Market butcher, Mustang trader, Frank, Ralph, Yo Jim Blab, Misk, the whole gang. See you tomorrow, and remember, if you say just one more trade, you probably shouldn't beat fades out. Just one more trade. Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching NQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow. Yeah. Market Butcher Live.
Okay, guys, I am going to end the vertical stream right now. Looking like we're starting to get a bearish candle here now, whether or not this is going to continue to pull back. This is the start of the London session here. Now that we've hit the 2 a.m. candle, Eastern Standard Time. So thanks everybody who's in the vertical stream. We're going to cut it now. Appreciate you guys. You can hit the pinned comment there if you want to come across and join us on the full size stream. Maybe you can stick around for a few more minutes here just to see how this candle shakes out. This 5-minute candle looking pretty bearish at the moment, so might be the end of the stream here. But thanks everybody. Appreciate you guys, and we will see you on the next stream there. Bye bye, vertical stream.